What's up, everybody? Today, we're going to be building a productivity app. This can be very useful for you to stay on top of the tasks that you want to get done. I mean, if you're anything like me, you procrastinate. I even procrastinated making this video. Let's hurry up and jump into it. The first thing we're going to do is create a JSON file, okay? This JSON file is going to hold the task that we want to complete. So for me, as you can see here, I have 45 minutes to record this video. It's showing the time and it's counting down. It's also saying a few short phrases. Job's not finished. Keep moving forward. Rest at the end. The first task that we're gonna put is record video, and we'll have that be 45 minutes. Our next task is gonna be to study, because I have to study for a certification. This is great for beginners. This is a nice, simple project that doesn't take too long to create. All right, we have all of our tasks done. Our first task is record the video. We're recording the video right now, 45 minutes for that. We're leaving ourselves 60 minutes to study. We're gonna take a 15-minute break, and then we're gonna play Fortnite for 2 hours. I feel like that's valid. The next thing we're gonna do is create our main file. We're gonna call our main file productivity.py, and this app is a productivity app. Keeps you on track with your tasks. The first thing that we're gonna do is import a few things. So we're importing JSON, we're importing time, we're importing date time, we're getting our term color as well so we can have some color, and we are importing random because we are going to be using random. I actually don't have term color here, so let's import term color. This is actually great. So if you're ever in a position, you see how it says import term color? If you're ever in an instance where you're missing something like that, you would basically type into Google pip install term color. You can see right here the proper code that we're going to type into our terminal. We already have it here. It was correct. Okay, we have it added, so it should work now. Yep, we're all good. Let's keep it moving. Once you're done importing everything that we need for this project, we're now defining our first function. Our first function is called load task. This function is going to pull the data that we just created from our JSON file. Okay, def load task with open. We're going to copy the relative path, paste it here. Task equal JSON load f return task. Okay, we're done with that function. We're creating a new function now. This function is gonna get our task schedule. Let's get started. Def get task schedule. You may not be able to see, but we still have our program running in the background. We have 37 minutes left to record this video, so I got to keep it moving. Task start time equals date time dot now and underscore time equals task underscore start time plus time delta. All right. Let's move on to our main function. Def main schedule equals get task current index equals 0. Now we're going to create a while loop. This while loop is just going to run continuously. Time now current underscore task remaining time end time equals now. Current for index task s underscore time b underscore time current index. This is an if statement. So if the index is less than the current index, it'll say that the task is basically done and it'll move on to the next task. Hours, minutes. We're moving along here. If remaining minutes is less than 2, we'll give ourselves a warning. If remaining minutes is less than 5. Yo, this part is like it's requiring me to focus so much. Just so I don't mess up the typing. Else, want to make sure it aligns with the elif. %h, %m. Now we're creating a list of reminders. This list of reminders is to put good, positive things in the air, because my personal belief is that if you put good and positive things into the air, you will receive that back. This list of reminders will be filled with things like motivational quotes, things that you want to achieve in the future, goals that you see yourself achieving in the future. You'll see, so the quotes that I'm going to put here are, I want to make 5K a month passively. This will just be a constant reminder for me. Why not speak that into existence? The next thing, keep moving forward. I love that quote. It's so simple, but so true. Rest at the end. Job's not finished. Shout out to Kobe. Every day I get better. Gotta speak those positive affirmations in. Focus on what you can control. Ignore what you can't. That's a really big, important one for me. Now that we have our list of reminders, we want those reminders to be randomly given to us. So we are randomizing that now with this variable, and we are printing it. I'm grabbing an emoji. You can get emojis from Emojipedia if you're not familiar with Emojipedia. Sparkles. Oh snap. Sparkles. Got some sparkles here. Let's copy it real quick. Plus random reminder. Let's write a quick if statement. If now is less than or equal to end time, current index will be increased by 1. Oh crap, I ran it by accident. Time sleep, we'll have a sleep for 15 seconds. And we are done, guys. How much time do we have to spare? 20 minutes, perfect. Let's run it though and see what we've got. Okay, it actually is working. As you can see, our program is working. It's counting down perfectly fine. We have 38 minutes left to record the video, even though we've already finished recording it. And it's showing the other tasks that we still have left, as well as it's updating us with the words of affirmation that we made for ourselves. That's the end of the video. Short. So that's the end of the video. Nice, short, and sweet. Like I said, this is perfect for beginners. If you liked the video, make sure to leave a thumbs up and follow for more. Thanks. Peace.